Now that you've completed another section, you'll be taken back to your job listing task list to complete another section. Select one of the relevant links to get started. On the Are you the recruiting manager for this listing page, select an option, and once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. If you aren't the recruiting manager for the listing, you'll be taken to the Who do you want to add as the recruiting manager page. Use the text box to enter in the name of the person. As you're typing, the system will populate any usernames for you. If the person you want isn't on the list, you can contact a super user for your organisation to have them added. Once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. If your organisation has approvals turned on, you can select an approver on the Who will approve your job listing page. Select the Add an Approver button to add someone to approve the listing. On the Who do you want to add as the approver page, use the text box to enter in the name of the person, and as you're typing, the system will populate any usernames for you. If the person you want isn't on the list, you can contact a super user for your organisation to have them added. Once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Who will approve your job listing page, you can see the approver you've selected, remove an approver using the link provided, and add another approver using the Add an Approver button. If you're happy with your choice and want to move on, select the Save and Continue button. If your organisation has departments turned on, you can select a department on the Select the Department for the listing page. If you need to have a department added to the list, you can contact a super user in your organisation to do this. Once you've made a selection, select the Save and Continue button to move on. On the How do you want to do your shortlisting page, select an answer using the options provided. Be mindful that once your advert is published, you can't change this decision. Once you're done, select the Save and Continue button. On the Check and Save the Recruitment Team page, you can review your answers and make any changes by selecting the Change links. This example shows all of the sections completed. If you're done and would like to continue to your task list, select the Save and Continue button.